If you want to get rid of yellow stains on a white shirt, here are some effective, simple steps. So number one, you got to act quickly. Try to treat the stain as soon as possible for the best results. Number two, you got to cold water rinse. Rinse the stained area with cold water to help lift the stain. Number three, use baking soda paste. Mix baking soda with a little bit of water to create a paste. Apply it directly to the stain and let it sit for about 30 minutes. Number four, try white vinegar. So dab white vinegar onto the stain and let it sit for like 15 minutes. This can help break down the stain. Now number five, lemon juice. For extra whitening, apply lemon juice to the stain and let it sit in the sun for natural bleaching effect. Number six, wash normally. So basically, after treating the stain, wash the shirt in your machine, in your washing machine. Use the hottest water, safe for the fabric. Number seven, check before drying. Before you dry the shirt, check if the stain is gone. If it's still visible, repeat the treatment, as heat can set the stain. By following these steps, you should be able to remove the yellow stains and keep your white shirt from not looking fresh. All right? So, see you later. Let me know if this helped.